Okay, students, welcome back. We are going to work in review this week and next week about not only combining like terms but solving equations. But um, so we're gonna be using this stuff for the next couple of weeks. So we need to remember what are like terms, and then also to be able to solve equations. Okay, so like terms, really simple. We are going to just simplify these expressions. And the way we can only simplify them is by combining like terms. And like terms mean the same type of terms. So x with x's, y's with y's, x squared with x squared. So let's do that. So remember when there's no number in front of a letter, that means that it's 1, so it's 1x. So 1x plus 2x, then that would be 3x. And that's our answer there. Well, that's really light. Uh, so in this one, it would be both terms have 1x, so we can combine them. So 6 minus 3, that is 3x. 7 minus 5, well, that both have 1x, so that's 2x. So you get these little ones. Now, here, let's see these. Can we combine these? Yes, we can. Now, when you are adding or subtracting, you are not doing anything with the exponent. So you have to remember that. We are just combining like terms with the same stuff, terms with the same characteristics. In this case, the only thing you can do is 4 minus 3. That is 1. 1 what? Well, 1x squared. You're combining like terms. You're imagine elephants with elephants. You combine them, okay? That's all you can do here because you don't have the value for x. You're simplifying the expression. That's all you're doing. So 3 plus 2, that is 5x squared. That's all you're doing. Now, there is a difference when you're multiplying or dividing, but here when you're adding and subtracting, that's what you have to do. All right, let's combine this something like that. So you can only combine this one and this one, and then you combine this and this. All right, so let's go from left to right. 2 plus 1, remember the sign of the number is always in front of the number. So 2 plus 1, that is 3x squared. And then that one is gone, and then 2 plus 1, that is 3x. That's all I can do there. Okay. All right, let's try this one. So that's, we're going to start by the highest exponent. Notice that I did that here, but it was because this one was in the front. But in this case, let's always start with the higher exponent. Remember, there is a 1 in front of those as a coefficient. So that's 1 plus 1, that is 2x squared. Notice that I don't add any exponents. I just use it. Like I combine the like terms. So then 5 minus 2, that is positive 3x. And that's all I can do there. All right, let's keep going. All right, let's try this one. So there are 3 like terms here, the ones with 1x and one that it's by itself. So I'm going to put the one with the higher exponent in the front. So that's 2x squared. That goes away. Now I'm going to combine all these terms because they're alike. They have the same characteristics. I'm going to go from left to right. 3 plus 2, that's 5, and 5 minus 1 is 4, so that's 4x. So positive 4x. And that's all I can do there. All right, let's try one more. So I'm going to start with the higher exponent. So that's 3 minus 1, that is 2x squared. So that goes away, and then 6 minus 1, that is positive 5x. And that is done. That's all I can do there. What about if you have different types of variables? Let's do this one. So we are combining y's with y's and then x's with x's. We're going to start from left to right. 2 minus y, so that's 2 y's minus 1y, that is 1y, right? And then 1y plus 3y, 1x plus 3x's, that's 4x's, so plus 4x. Now, does it matter if I put the y in front of the x in the front? No, in this case, it doesn't matter. We only do that when we have higher exponents. Let's try number 26 here. So we have x's here. We have y. We only have one y. We have 2x squares here. So let's combine. Let's start with the higher exponent. So that's 1x plus 1x squared plus 1x squared, that's 2x squared. Then let's do the y, let's keep going with the x's. So that's 2x minus 1, that's 1x, so that's plus 1x. And then 2y, that's it, there's not another y, so plus 2y. And that is my answer there. That's all I can do because I don't have the values for x's or y. All right, let's try this one. There are some numbers that don't have variables, which is fine. It's the same thing. Let's do the y's. Let's do the y's first. So the numbers with variables first. So that's 3 plus 2. These are two like terms. So that's 5y. That goes away. That goes away. And then 2 plus 5, that is 7. And that's all I can do here. Okay, you're combining like terms. Let's do this to end. So we have a higher exponent, so that's x squared. 4 minus 1, that is positive 3x, so that goes away. And then plus 3. And that's all I can do there. And I hope this helps.